Welcome to MB Tool Reviews. Today on the channel we have an unboxing for you of this, the Wera Joker 11-piece ratchet spanner set. This is the Wera Joker 6000 11-piece spanner set. There are different variations of this. This is currently retailing at anywhere from around £195 up to £220 in the UK. This is very expensive, obviously, for a spanner set. However, they do feature a ratchet on there, and they have some other features. This is not a review. I will do that later down the line when I've had the tool for a while. But we're going to open the box and have a look inside and see what you get for that kind of money. Okay, so first of all, it does come in a really nice box, and the tools are in this nice pouch, and you get some you get a leaflet in there. And it looks like a sticker. Okay, so as I said, they come in this nice pouch. Which is a tool roll. And your size is 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the tool. What we have here is the ring spanner with the ratchet mechanism, and if you flip it over, the ratchet goes in the opposite direction, so you can both loosen and tighten with this tool. Here we have the multi-point design on the open-ended spanner to give you better grip on a nut or a bolt. On the reverse side, we have what I originally thought was a ratchet mechanism, but it actually turns out it's a gripping mechanism which acts like a washer on the top of the bolt, so it stops you from sliding through the nut or the bolt and slipping off. It actually grips on, and it also, I don't know if the camera will pick this up, it has these little teeth here which also add to the grip of the tool. So as I said, these are single-sided ratchet, so the ratchet is only on the ring spanner set, not on the open-ended set. That's just a gripping mechanism. I mistakenly thought that that might have been a ratchet set when I ordered these. I'm still going to be using these wrenches because Wera are a great company. They're a great manufacturer of tools. They make some excellent tools, and the quality of these feels amazing. You can already tell they're a decent tool, and once I've had a good amount of time using them, I'll come back and do a review and let you know what my thoughts are on these. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions about this tool or any other tools, please leave us a comment down below, and please remember to like and subscribe.